Hello guys, today I'm going to the birthday party. She is my friend and her name is Wani Kasim. I'm making special gift for her. Come and join me. I collect rough pages and now I have to make a globe. Let's do it smoothly. It looks like a big bamboo lollipop. I will put these candies one by one with the help of double tape. Happy birthday to you, dear. These candies are my favorite, so I hope my friends will enjoy them. Now I am going to cover this thing to make it beautiful and eye-catching. Where is that? This is the final look of my gift for my friend. I bought this charming doll because I know most girls like these dolls. I hope my little friend will be happy that I made this gift for her by myself. I am ready to go.
चलो
I am coming, Vanya. These are some beautiful clicks to make this birthday memorable.
Ay, dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita.
Please subscribe my channel to watch more videos and also follow my Instagram page.